Hey everybody, it's Brian here at Paradise Parrot Rescue, and one of the really cool things that I get to be a part of is to help people reconnect with their lost birds. So this beautiful little cockatiel escaped from its home a couple of days ago, and on the way right now are his original owners. We were able to find the original owners. It's a really, really cool thing. So we're going to be able to cut to that here in just a minute and share with you the reunification of these guys. So hang tight.
In the arms of the
Ready?
Oh my gosh.
Here, go ahead and take them back. There you go.
Your girlfriend's been waiting for you.
Oh, they're trying to find each other. Aww. There you go.